I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bitcoin Calm Wallet. First, download the Bitcoin Calm Wallet app from your App Store. Once installed, open it and choose to create a new wallet. You'll be given a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down and store it safely. This phrase is crucial for recovering your funds if you lose access to your device. Finally, familiarize yourself with the two main cryptocurrencies supported, Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Receiving funds is straightforward. Simply tap the Receive button to display your unique wallet address and QR code. Share this with anyone sending you crypto. To send, tap Send, then either scan a QR code or paste the recipient's address. Enter the amount, review all details carefully, and confirm the transaction. Remember, transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything before you send. The Bitcoin Calm Wallet makes buying and swapping crypto simple. You can purchase Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash directly within the app using various payment methods. Just tap Buy and follow the prompts. If you want to exchange one crypto for another, use the Swap feature. Select the cryptocurrencies and amounts, then review the exchange rate and any fees before finalizing your trade. It's a quick way to manage your portfolio. Security is paramount. We highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication within your wallet settings for an extra layer of protection. Beyond basic transactions, explore advanced features like connecting to decentralized applications or creating payment requests. These tools expand your crypto capabilities. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description below for a link to a highly recommended book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.